東京ガスよりお知らせです。ガスが止まっている場合には、ご自身でメーターを操作することで復帰させることができますので、メーターをご確認ください。なお、ご自身で復帰できなかった場合には、東京ガスへご連絡ください。繰り返して町田市役所からお知らせいたします。
町田コミュニティセンター。
東京電力よりお知らせです。大きな災害の後では電気が十分に供給できません。市民の皆様には節電にご協力ください。東京ガスよりお知らせです。
Tokyo Gas。
ガスが止まっている場合には、ご自身でメーターを操作することで復帰させることができますので、メーターをご確認ください。なお、ご自身で復帰できなかった場合には、
Every time there's an announcement, the dogs go mental. It sounds like the hound of the Baskervilles out here. Every time, it happens all the time. They make announcements like that all the time in Japan, especially in big suburban areas. In my area, just before the announcement, the microphone comes on, but only the dogs can hear that. So whenever you know there's an announcement coming, when the dogs start going nuts, and well, that's off the subject, isn't it? But I don't know. But yeah, there's a little taste of Japanese life. All that kind of speaker announcement happens all the time. I'm going to close this window now because it's freezing. And as you can see, I've dropped my modem and the sun's out. There hasn't been any tremors for a while, which is nice. And I've had a little sip of Mother's Ruin, so hello. So yeah, so everything seems to be alright. I feel much calmer now that the sun's up. It's a horrible feeling when you go to sleep from an earthquake and you're woken up by an earthquake, and you're trying to get your thoughts together during an earthquake, and the sun is such a comforting sight, you know. There hasn't been a tremor for a while, so fingers crossed. I'll keep you updated. Take care.